Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to delete your TikTok account. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up the TikTok app. And once you're in here, just go ahead over to your profile. And in your profile, you have here at the top right, the three horizontal lines. So just go ahead and tap on it. Wait for it to load. Now go ahead and tap on settings and privacy. Tap on it. Now under account, we have here account. Okay, tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on deactivate or delete account. Tap, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, you'll have two options. Okay, you can deactivate or delete. Now since the topic is deleting your account, well, just go ahead and tap on delete. Okay, as it states here, your account and content will be deleted permanently. You may cancel the deletion request by reactivating your account within 30 days. Reactivating means you'll just have to log in to the same TikTok account. Okay, it could be via web or the TikTok app. So just tap on delete, wait for it, and go ahead and add a reason why you wanted to delete your TikTok account, or you can just tap on skip and then tap on by continuing right here and then hit on continue. Just basically follow simple prompts, and once that's done, your account will be deleted again within 30 days. That's how simple it is to delete your TikTok account. I hope this video helps you. I'll see you in the next one.